Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I am writing about one of the buy recommendations I've had, Antero Resources, symbol AR. I'm going from a buy to a hold. This is a natural gas stock, and while I think there's still a lot of upside in the near term, we could get a pullback, and I'm going to take my little 5.8% gain and ride off into the sunset. And I'll show you where I would get bullish again. So let's get into it. So this is the big pattern on AR, Antero Resources, I'm sorry. And it's a 2.5 year symmetrical triangle. And we got the breakout, and then we got a retest. We initiated about a week ago. Actually, it was on Thursday. And we're going to take a closer look at what's going on here. The big picture is this pattern, as long as it holds our stop at 30, we have a $63 price projection. So there's a heck of a lot of upside here. And so while I'm cognizant of that, I also um, want my recommendations to make people money. So let's take a look at this short-term picture here. And you'll see we have a cluster of rainbow of moving averages coming together in a cluster, and it's called a rainbow convergence because prices are below. This is a bearish rainbow convergence. And, here's the buy recommendation on 3/6 at 33.78. And at that time, I said we're going to get a bearish rainbow convergence. And I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't see a retracement back up to that convergence, which is what we call a type 2 convergence, a la Tom McClellan, who introduced me to this particular tool. And the premise is if it can't break through this cluster of moving averages, it promises another low. Could be a slight another low. It could go to 32. It could go to 28. It could go anywhere, but it would probably make a new low. And so, because it looks like it's fading here, I'm going to sell, take that 5.98% gain in 3 days, and ride off into the sunset. So, what would change my mind? So, if prices do get stopped here and they come down and make a new lower low, I will probably be back at you with a new buy recommendation because of that big picture I shared with you. The other thing that would change me back to bullish would be a close over 37, where we clearly close above this cluster of moving averages. And, natural gas stocks are very volatile. Natural gas is very volatile. So that certainly can happen. So what I did was I sold 2/3 of my shares today. And if it breaks back above this, I will chase it and I will buy those back. And so that's the strategy here. Here's the point and figure chart. We still have our blue bullish trend line in place. It does have a bearish price projection, but I don't really worry about that. I'm really more worried about the bullish trend line here that you see. So just to summarize, going to neutral, sold 2/3 of my position, going to look for a lower low to buy or a breakthrough the cluster of moving averages. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.